worry about what position it's faced. But I do have to worry about battery life. You all right?
Yeah. No one told me that it's like this far.
Have to put a review, warn others.
How many minutes?
Oh, look at this guy. Watch out for this guy. I don't know what he does. Just a centipede. Just a centipede. See, you got to keep your eyes open. That can be a regular old friendly centipede or a ravenous plague-infused carnivore slug killer machine. So, no. Oh, lordy, let's go.
We don't
Look
need
at
to
the
go to the gym anymore.
1,000 steps right there. Leg day.
Like this.
I hear it. See the hard work that goes into getting this footage. Step by step, stone by stone.